Okay, so tell me, where are we today?
We are at Wimpy Randridge Mall today.
Okay, and today we're going to order,
The classic burger and chips.
and that's a milkshake. It comes with a milkshake as well. What is on the milkshake?
Oh, this one is the chocolate milkshake as shown on the little flyer there.
And what does it come with? It comes with
Comes
little.
with little marshmallows there.
Yes.
And chocolate balls.
Okay.
Yes.
All right, and this is how the new Wimpy looks. Can I just go around and have a look?
Worry not, worry not.
This is how the new Wimpy looks. You're always
Welcome.
Welcome.
Yes, it's home.
I like the new look. The new setup is beautiful.
Yes, thank you.
And that's the kitchen section there. There's the stuff. It's all shy.
Yes, and this is our grill section. And next to it is the soft serve.
So can I go and have a look?
Worry not, sir, worry not.
And this is the grills. And this is how they cook.
Yes. This is Mr. Larry, our griller.
Yes.
Yes.
And this is how it looks, the new look.
And this is the whole scenery of the floor.
Okay. So this is a beautiful new menu of the Wimpy. As you can see, it looks great, doesn't it? Show you this milkshake. It's got, what are these little sweets?
They look like Smarties. Yes, they're Smarties.
Smarties, yes.
And little marshmallows.
Now let's put that straw inside there. Now that is complete. Lovely strawberry milkshake. Remember, this comes with the classic. Only $69.90 with chips at the Wimpy. Right, I'm having a cheeseburger. Let's just put some tomato sauce on that. Okay, now just look at the burger. As you can see, lovely burger. Also, this is the whole combo you got with a burger and the chips. Wow, look at this. Double up breakfast. Sausage, eggs, bacon. And this one is?
It's a hash brekkie with lovely hash browns, tomatoes, and a chickpea burger with mushroom sauce and an egg.
And a glass of tea. So guys, welcome, and we'll see you on the next one.